Hey, good morning, welcome to today's show. Here's the fireplace. It's an old Majestic fireplace, 15 years old or so. Puts about 4 BTUs out. And we're putting in a new Supreme Fireplace Astra 24 model. That's solid glass doors, tight, better chimney. They say it can be up to 75,000 BTUs. You know, it's probably with the best hardwood there is in a nice firebox, but anyway, it's going to be better than this one. And I'm going to take you on that journey. We're getting our fireplace from the backwoods boiler boys in southern Manitoba. We have to take this one out. I'm hoping we just have to cut it up to here. Slide the other one in. Chimney's getting changed too. It's not a very good chimney. It's the one that as the hot air goes up, the cool air pulls the cool air down on the outside and it gets condensation. So it's just not a very good system, and it's going to go. So come along with me on this journey. Okay, we have it all cleaned out. You should be able to just pull this off. Take these side ones out already. You might have to pry up this tab and then just pull out like that. Here, see what's in there. Put a plug in here. Well, nothing to it really. Let's go have. So we have to take out this and this now, and we'll be done. I'm just using this chisel here so I don't wreck it. Voila! We're going to try and save these. Chipped it a little bit, but PL 2000 ripped it right off. You're going to do the rest. There we go. Oh yeah, screws through here. Okay, let's try and get that out. Have a coffee. Alright, you can see I have it all disconnected there. They needed 7 feet up. It's 7'1". All the tiles are off. You just have to take off the chimney here, and we can probably take that part out. I just tipped it forward and brought it out. And that pulled that piece out. Then I took this piece out. Forgot to record it. But here, it's not very heavy. You know, it'd be better if your neighbor helped, but, you know, they say they're coming and they don't. You know who we are. So I'll just take this out, move the camera away. I'm letting me carry this all by myself. I don't know, it's probably a couple 100 pounds. Okay. There it is, all in. Just have to put the board around. Okay, you can see it's all in. Just remember, down here is the cord for the blower fan, and the blower fan motor that goes, the auxiliary fan is in the basement so you can get at it. So now we just have to wire up the fan, put the wire in there already, we'll be good to go. Oh, there it's going. Okay, there it's going. We pull this down, put it in full air. So basically you build a base with your big ones and then build what you need on top, like a normal fire. There we are, all ready with our tile. That orange, that with subfloor there for when it goes right on the flooring. Let's get started. This not only cleans it, but puts a little moisture in the cement board so it doesn't suck it all out. Okay, we have that section done. Okay, we're going to put down this layer right on here. Made lines down here so I know where they are. So that it's even. Okay, we're all done here. Let that dry. It's a bit tricky starting from the top and going down, but that's the way it has to be. The rest won't be as hard. Okay, we're going to do around here next, but I probably won't show you that. And I might show you the first row going up, and after that, you know how to tile. Okay, there it is. It's still drying up there. Just ran out of stuff and energy tonight. So, come back when it's done. Alright, there we are, up to the top done. have to do this quite a few times. There. Alright. Okay, thanks for watching today's show. You can see how my fireplace changed. I just have the bottom to do, but you get the gist of it. Well, if you like today's show, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Remember to leave a comment that'll be helpful to others. Later.